Meanwhile, SERAP has presented its latest report on strengthening the rule of law in the country, Human and Labour Rights Index perspective in the hotel in Lagos. Now, discussion on the report tags strengthening the rule of law in Nigeria through African Growth Opportunity Act, AGOA. The Human and Labour Rights Index perspective focused on the latest findings on the report and proposed a plan of action on how to address the issues raised and documented in the report. A lead research consultant, Leonard Ugbaja, who presented, stressed the importance of the understanding of the trade and human rights nexus, adding that two systems operate separately under the international system. The representative of the National Human Rights Commission, while appreciating the robust relationship that exists between the Commission and SERAP, said the NHRC, the National Human Rights Commission, does a lot in ensuring that the rights of Nigerians are protected.
Democratic process. It is good to get the people to vote. But before the elections, 2023, and after the elections, governance must continue. And that is why as part of this electioneering process, we should learn to engage with issues that would frame governance, both now and after the elections. Of course, naturally, these should be issues that that is beyond the pedestrian politics, tribe, religion, or all that sorts. There should be issues of the economy, security, infrastructure. Those kind of issues should drive the conversations as we go towards elections and then after the elections.
We're discussing politics sits at the center of it, because whether a government is doing well or not doing well, it's a question of politics, the question of who occupies the place. In the first place, if a country was living up to its responsibilities in terms of human rights and labor rights, you wouldn't need an instrument like the AGOA to put pressure on the country to do the right thing. So yes, at the end of the day, the message is that we need the right people to occupy the positions of governance, because when you have the right people there who are doing the right thing, you don't need an external body or any external instrument, to tell you to do the right thing, So that's the way it is. So we need capable hands. We need people who know what they are doing, and we need people
combating the issue of child labor and abuse of child's rights, human rights. One of the planks will be there must be deliberate attempts to enlighten the public. No matter what seminars and interactive sessions we hold, if the public out there are not aware of the steps and the remedial steps they need to take, it will be an exercise in futility. There should be an enlightenment campaign that the trader out there knows what to do when there is an abuse of his rights by security agencies, when one encounters a child of 9-10 years trading on the street, the person should know what procedures to use. There should be institutional framework that will be free of charge and easily accessible to the public for that to be done.